purchased my Liberty safe in 2000 when I was hired as a peace officer with the state of California. I knew it was my duty to protect my weapons from the hands of those who shouldn't have them. On January 28, 2017, my house was burglarized by a group of men. They thought they hit the jackpot when they found my Liberty safe and spent hours trying to gain access to it by any means that they had available to them. They used my own tools. They broke several drill bits after knocking off the tumbler face and combination lock, trying to gain access to that safe. They even used my children's baseball bats to try to beat their way in. After becoming frustrated, they knocked the safe around in my room, knocked it down the stairs, and out into my driveway, where they attempted to replicate a scene from Fast and Furious by dragging my safe down the street. Fortunately, the safe withheld all the damage that they did to it. And it is to Liberty Safe that I say thank you for keeping these weapons out of the hands of criminals on the street.